Next.js is an amazing way to build modern web apps, but we still need a good way to be able to manage and deliver our images and videos at scale. So let's see how we can easily get started using Cloudinary in a Next.js app, including being able to easily add and transform your images, videos, and even upload files using Next Cloudinary. When using Cloudinary inside of a Next.js app, we really can think about two different ways for how we approach this, both the client side and the server side. When you're working with delivering your images and videos and even be able to upload files, you need a way for people to be able to interact with these things inside of the browser. This is where Next Cloudinary shines, where we get easy to use drop-in components, such as being able to easily add an upload widget to your app. Or maybe we just want to have a reliable way to be able to deliver our images, including the Cloudinary transformations we love, like background removal and generative fill. Now, before we get started setting up Next Cloudinary, if you're working with more server-side tech with Next.js, such as server components where you have the capability of using server actions, or if you're working in API endpoints or route handlers, you can even use the Cloudinary Node SDK, which can give you some more flexibility for uploads or even more advanced resource management. But we're going to use Next Cloudinary and see how we can unlock a ton of features inside of a Next.js app. Now, once you're ready inside of your Next.js application, the first thing we need to do is install Next Cloudinary. So I'm going to run npm install Next Cloudinary. And then the only other thing that I need to do to configure Next Cloudinary is add a new environment variable for my cloud name. So inside of my .env file, I'm going to add that environment variable of next public Cloudinary cloud name and set that equal to my cloud name. And now all that's left is to use our Next Cloudinary components. So if I wanted to update my images to use the CLD image component, I would first want to import my CLD image component from Next Cloudinary. And then as long as I have my width, height, source, and alt, I can go ahead and update my image tag to CLD image and make sure that the source is pointing to a Cloudinary public ID, where we'll be able to see our images are now being loaded from Cloudinary, where now we're going to get automatic optimization, where we'll also deliver modern formats, where we also unlock all the transformations that are supported, including background removals, such as adding remove background, where you also need to make sure you have the background removal add-on installed. We can see just how easy it is to add transformations to our images inside of Next.js. Next, let's see how easy it is to use Next Cloudinary to embed videos, including being able to easily customize the player and other features you'd expect from Cloudinary, like being able to add transformations.